Hello students, how are you? I am Suni Yasmin, lecturer, Department of Agriculture, Marston College. Today, I will discuss you about chapter number 3, section number 1. The topic of my lecture is crops and crop varieties tolerant to adverse weather. Now, we can see the topic attentively. What can we say? This topic is divided into 3 terms. Number 1, crop varieties. Number 2, tolerant. And number 3, adverse weather. These 3 terms are very much important in this lecture. First of all, crop varieties. What are crop varieties? Crop varieties are those varieties which have higher yield and higher production. Then, tolerant. What is tolerant? Tolerant means adaptability. Then, adverse weather. What is adverse weather? Adverse weather means unfavorable or stress weather or stress condition. Then, now come to the point. Today, the main subject of my lecture is we will be described or we will be able to know the characteristics and name of crop varieties which are tolerant to adverse weather. Now, what are unfavorable weather or adverse weather? These points are very much important to describe or define unfavorable weather. Number 1, very cool and cool weather. Number 2, very high temperature. Number 3, drought. Number 4, salinity. Number 5, flood. And number 6, waterlogging condition. Then, these conditions are very much effective to grow suitable crops. Then, if we have no proper management practices earlier to face this problem, then we have to select suitable crop varieties which are tolerant to adverse weather or adverse condition. Otherwise, yield loss is very much definite. Then, these conditions, we will describe these conditions. Number 1, cold tolerant crop. We can see in Bangladesh, duration of coolness is November to February. The minimum temperature of coolness is 7 to 15 degrees centigrade and maximum temperature is 24 to 28 degrees centigrade. Then, the intensity and duration of coolness or cold temperature causes great yield in winter crops like potato, but low temperature in pollination and grain formation in Tiamon and Boro rice causes unfilled grains. So, we have to select suitable crop or crop varieties to tolerate to coldness or cold temperature. Then, this variety, see, variety Bri Dhan 36 and 55 or Bri Dhan 36 and Bri Dhan 55. Then, Bri, this institute has produced or developed 36 and 55. Scientists of Bangladesh have developed various crop varieties to overcome this adverse condition, and this variety is one of them. Bri, Bangladesh Rice Research Institute, which is situated Jadipur and Gazipur. Bri Dhan 36 and Bri Dhan 55 are tolerant to cold temperature. We mean cold tolerant crops are Bri Dhan 36 and Bri Dhan 55. Then, number 2, drought tolerant crop. Number 2, drought tolerant crop. First of all, drought. What is the definition of drought? Drought means without rainfall. Without rainfall for 20 days. I can say again, for 20 days. Without rainfall for 20 days. or more in dry season is called drought. Without rainfall for 20 days or more in dry season is called drought. Secondly, soil water deficit. What is the definition of soil water deficit? Scarcity of rainfall is soil water deficit. Scarcity of rainfall means soil water deficit. Then, what are the varieties which are tolerant to drought condition? What are the varieties which are tolerant to drought condition? See, Bri Dhan 56 and Bri Dhan 57. Previously I said, BRI, Bangladesh Rice Research Institute, which is situated in Jadipur. This institute has developed these two varieties, 56 and 57. So, if the question in your exam, what are the varieties tolerant to drought condition, then you can write Bri Dhan 56 and Bri Dhan 57, not Bri Dhan 56 and 57. So, if you write this, so you can take 0. But if you write Bri Dhan 56 and Bri Dhan 57, full meaning, then you can write full marks. You can get full marks. Bari, BARI, wheat. Bari, wheat 20 and 24. BARI. I can say BARI means Bangladesh Agricultural Research Institute. Then these variety are Bari wheat variety. If in your exam the question is what are the wheat varieties which are tolerant to drought condition, then you can write Bari wheat 20 and Bari wheat 24. I can say again Bari wheat 20 and Bari wheat 24. Which are the rice variety? Which are the rice variety? Bri Dhan 56 and Bri Dhan 57. Bri Dhan 56 and Bri Dhan 57. Then Bari Chola 5. Bari Chola 5. BARI. Bari. Bangladesh Agricultural Research Institute. Chola 5. The variety of Chola is Bari Chola 5. Then these varieties are very much important for your question. So today's lecture, what are the main topic today's lecture? Main topic is we have learned 3 terms: crop varieties, tolerant and adverse weather. These conditions we have learned: unfavorable conditions. These varieties: cold tolerant crop and drought tolerant crop. And then this definition: drought and soil water deficit. So students, not for today. Next day I will come. Next definition: salinity, flood and waterlogging conditions. So be safe and stay at home.